Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of grade 5, Assalamu alaikum. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Nahi. I welcome you all to Pakistan International School's distance learning program, English Language Lesson 2, Week 4. My dear students, it's your second lesson of Week 4. In today's class, you will learn all about the present simple tense. I shall teach you how to use it and when to use it. My dear students, it's your second lesson of week 4. After attending today's lesson, we expect you will be able to define simple present verb tense, function of simple present tense, situations or the context in which present simple tense is used. My dear students, whenever we talk about tenses, the first question comes in our mind is, what are the tenses? Tenses are the forms of verbs which show the time of actions or state of events. They have three forms: present, past, and future. My dear students, let's talk about the first form of tenses, present tense. Present tense has four aspects: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. My dear students, this is very important list of most commonly used forms of verb. We are mainly concerned with first column for our today's tense, that is present simple tense. Now I define this tense, my dear students. The simple definition of present simple is: it is one of several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. My dear students, the simple present tense is used to describe an action that is regular, true, or normal. We use the present simple tense for repeated or regular actions in the present time period. For example, I always go to school by bus. We use present simple tense for universal truths. Sun rises in the east. My dear students, we also use present simple tense to talk about habits. I get up early in the morning. Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. We use present simple tense for things that are always or generally true, as I live in Doha. We also use present simple tense to refer future time, fix future events on timetable calendars. For example, the train leaves at 5. My dear students, in this English language class, I'm going to show you how to form a present simple tense and when to use a present simple tense. My dear students, before we get started, it's good to know that when I say first person singular, I mean I. When I say second person singular, I mean you. When I say third person singular, I mean he, she, and it. When I say first person plural, I mean we. When I say second person plural, I mean you. When I say third person plural, I mean they. My dear students, if the subject in a sentence is he, she, it, singular or proper noun, then s or es is added to the first form of verb or base form in the sentence. My dear students, these are some model sentences. Please write them down in your English notebook. My dear students, the spelling for the verb in the third person differs depending on the ending of that verb. For verbs that end in o, ch, sh, double s, x, or z, we add es in the third person. Go changes into goes, catch changes into catches, wash changes into washes, fix changes into fixes, and bus changes into buses. My dear students, for verbs that end in a consonant plus y, we remove the y and add ies. Marry changes into marries, study changes into studies, carry changes into carries, worry changes into worries. Please note, for verbs that end in a vowel plus y, we just add s. Play changes into plays, enjoy changes into enjoys, say changes into says. My dear students, now let's take a look at the present simple tense in negations. In negative sentence, auxiliary verb do or does along with not is used if the subject in a sentence is he, she, it singular or proper noun, then does not is used after subject in sentence. If subject is I, we, they, you, or plural, then do not is used after subject in sentence. S or es is not added to main verb in negative sentence. My dear students, now let's take a look at the present simple tense in questions. If the subject in a sentence is he, she, it singular or proper noun, the sentence is started with auxiliary verb does. If the subject in a sentence is I, we, they, you, or plural, the sentence is started with auxiliary verb do. S or es is not added to main verb in interrogative sentences. My dear students, in the end, I'm assigning you few exercises which you have to solve in your English notebook. Test 1. Supply the correct form of verbs given in the following brackets in the following sentences. Exercise number 2. True, false statements. Exercise number 2 is based on true and false statements. My dear students, this is the last exercise. You have to write about your daily routine using present indefinite or present simple tense. My dear students, with this we have come to an end of our today's lesson. Kindly complete your exercises and get them corrected by your English teachers.